Hi guys, here's my journey from basic artist to pretty cool artist in less than 2 minutes, I believe. So here's my stick art of a caveman. It's basic, but the AI will try to improve on it, and then we move on to more sophisticated ways of using this piece of kit. Okay, so moving on from the stick drawings, I've instructed the AI with a short sentence to produce what it sees as a photograph of a caveman, headshot, reasonable quality. And we'll see what it comes up with, guys. Okay, guys, so we're getting into a little bit more of instruction and more directive approach to the AI. So we're giving it a long prompt now with more details and more instructions about the way I want the final image to look. And let's see what we get, guys. Don't forget, guys, this is early days for the AI. This is going to get better and better. So I suggest you start playing with it now and start honing your skills with creating prompts. That's the key to make the AI tools work best for you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye, guys.